प्रकाश मैं सुन पा रहा हूँ। जी विकास मुझे आपसे
Well, the pictures are coming in from the hometown of Jaipur of Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, who made the supreme sacrifice of laying down his life while fighting terrorists in the Handwara encounter. Those pictures of his brother, his wife, and other members of his family.
भाई आगे मत है भाई साहब। ओ भाई कैमरों के आगे मत आओ प्लीज।
Well, tributes are being poured in to Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, who laid down his life fighting terrorists in the Handwara encounter that was reported in North Kashmir, and that also claimed the lives of 4 other Jawans from the army and also from the Jammu and Kashmir police, and all from the Brigade of the Guards Regiment and at present part of the 21 Rashtriya Rifles who were deployed in that area to fight terrorists in the Handwara encounter that was reported. His family members also sitting at the side, his wife, brother and other members of his family paying tribute to the soldier who made the supreme sacrifice for safeguarding his motherland. Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, who has been commanding officer of the 21 Rashtriya Rifles Battalion and 4 other security personnel who laid down their lives while saving civilians from terrorists at a village in Handwara in North Kashmir. Zeenat is with us. She will be explaining to us these visuals also coming in. His daughter also being present there. Zeenat, we are looking at the family members paying tributes, the last salute to the brave soldier. Zeenat.
Amitabh, we have seen Colonel Ashutosh Sharma, commanding officer of 21 RR, who fought bravely because he was the one who was leading the operation that was carried in Chugiwala village of Handwara in North Kashmir on 3rd of May this month. In fact, he was the one who saved the inmates of the very house that were taken hostage by those terrorists. He evacuated all of them, but before laying his life for the country, he neutralized 2 of the militants that were also killed in that very encounter. We have seen not only the wreath-laying ceremony conducted by the Jammu Kashmir Police on Sunday, we also saw wreath-laying conducted by 15 Corps Commander here at Badami Bagh. Then his body was flown to his place, that is Jaipur, where some of the visuals are coming. He's survived by wife, brother, and also daughter, who's some 10-year-old. But as far as the Colonel Sharma is concerned, he was one of the finest officers of the Indian Army, quite helpful to the locals. That's how the civilians in Handwara remember him. Very helpful to the people and also was known for his anti-militancy operations. During his tenure in Kashmir, he has almost neutralized 30 militants in one go.